Hi, this is Ed Hill with Masters Roofing in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm in my makeshift studio here, which is actually my office at the Masters Roofing Design Showroom in Bartlett, Tennessee on Stage Center Cove, 2845 Stage Center Cove in Bartlett, right behind Popeye's Chicken on Stage Road. Can't get to our showroom through Popeye's, but you could come around on Stage Center Drive and you'll see Stage Center Cove. Be glad to give you a tour of our interactive showroom where you can see how a roofing system should be properly installed. You can arrange that by contacting me at 901-359-4165. I wanted to take some time today in this video, and this will be a lot longer, I think, actually, than most of the videos you've seen online that I've done. I wanted to introduce myself to you. Who is Ed Hill with Masters Roofing? Well, just want to hit some things very quickly. I am the son of a soldier. My father was in the United States Army for 27.5 years. He served in Germany right after the World War II was over. He got out of basic training and was stationed in the occupation army in Germany. He served in Korea, not in the Korean War, but during part of our deployment there after the Korean War. He served in Vietnam, which the entire country was a combat zone. And so I'm the son of a soldier. My brother was in the United States Army for about 12 years. He left the Army as a captain. He also served in Vietnam, interestingly enough, at the same time that my father was there, and they were able to see each other a couple of times. I am the father of a retired Marine. So why do I tell you all of this? And I'm proud of my family, as you probably are of yours, but I tell you this to basically give you a field of reference, a frame of reference, if you will. When you bring me on board to help with your roofing project, and I tell you when we're done, it's going to be clean, it's going to be Army clean, Marine clean. That's just the culture that I've been around and grown up in. And so that's important because it'll be a roof war zone while we do your roof replacement project. But ladies especially, rest assured when we're done, it'll be completely clean. You're not going to get a bunch of flat tires. There's not going to be debris spread all over your yard. It's going to be a very professional, clean project, especially after we're done. So that kind of gives you a frame of reference about me, but also some other things. I have been in the home improvement industry since around 2001. I've helped people with their home security needs. I have helped people with replacing their siding through a sidings claim program on Masonite and Abtico siding, so I know a good bit about those type of products and the damage that they have over time due to how they were made. But since 2008, I have been in the roofing industry, and I don't have an exact number, but I've sat down and calculated this. I believe I've helped around 800 families replace their roof. And about, I would say, 700 of those pretty much have been right here in the Mid-South since I came here in 2010. I work with Masters Roofing, which is a state licensed contractor in Tennessee. Now, again, not to put other companies down, but many so-called roofing companies, if you ask for their licensure, all they will be able to produce is a local business license, which is fine. If that's all you need, great. Our owner actually had to study for and go to Nashville and sit for an exam and pass that exam to be a state licensed roofing contractor. So we can pretty much handle any issue that may come up with your roof project. because we simply know what we're doing. And our company is large enough with the financial backing, that's come from our success in helping over 7,000 families in the Mid-South. We are able to offer you a team that will help make your project come off smoothly. We have project management involved with your job. We have crew leader involved with your job, a professional roofing crew, not random day laborers hired that day in front of a big box store. And I think that goes on to some extent in the Mid-South. We know our crews. We know what to expect. And we're going to get the job done. It's going to be great. You're going to be very pleased. But that's the company that I work for. You can check out I think it's nearly, at this time, about 200 custom reviews on the local BBB site. Our company has an A+ rating. I believe I'm very safe in saying that we have, by ourselves, as many reviews as the other roofing companies combined. And they're virtually all 5-star reviews. So you can check those out. You can see our Google reviews, same thing. I think right now we're at 4.7 stars or 4.8 or something like that. But, virtually 5-star ratings on our Google reviews. I believe we're reviewed on Angie's List. You can ask me and I can give you customer references. We have pages and pages and pages and pages of roofs we've done in the Mid-South. I have some video testimonials which people have freely shared. We have guild quality surveys that will tell you what customers felt about what we did, how well we did. And we've got a very high rating on guild quality. So, that's just a little bit about me and what you get when you work with me through Masters Roofing. Now, you might ask, well, Ed, what is your value proposition? Why should I work with you? Well, here's my value proposition. It's me. So that's pretty cocky. Well, I don't mean it that way at all. But what I'm saying is, if I earn your confidence and trust and you bring me on board to be your roofing consultant for your, it might be to do a roof inspection or help you with a roof claim through insurance, or maybe you simply just want a bid. We do those and I'll give you a bid. Maybe you just need a repair. Maybe you need quotes on exterior or interior painting or gutter replacement, have gutters installed. I can help you with all of that. But if you bring me on board, the value proposition is you will have Ed Hill walking with you through the entire project. And my goal is simply this: when we're done, I want to do everything that I can do, or a company wants to do everything it can do, for you to be able to say you're 100% happy. That's pretty simple. And here's the thing: I don't work with any other roof company in the Mid-South. There's no one else you can call and get Ed Hill involved with your roofing project, with your home improvement project. So whether it's a free, honest roof inspection, or whether it's helping you with a insurance roof claim, or advising you about that, or about your repair needs, or the condition of your roof, what your options are, whatever it might be, if you will call me directly, and you see on the wall behind me our roofing yard sign, but that is my direct number on that sign, 901-359-4165. If you will call me directly, as much as humanly possible, about 18 hours a day, I will pick that cell phone up and answer it myself. You don't have to go through a secretary, an administrator, 23 people will hand it off to this one and that one and hope I call you back eventually, maybe. It's not like that. If you call me directly, I will normally answer. Some people say I sound like a answering machine. I've heard that a lot. This is Ed Hill, and then I wait for you to say something. So if I say that, that's pretty much going to be me answering, and it's safe to talk to me. But I will say this. I'm also not the person that, let's say I'm meeting with you in your home about your roof replacement, your repair, whatever is required, and my phone rings, except for in very rare cases, which I might consider to be an emergency. I'm not going to take somebody else's call while I'm sitting in your home talking with you about your project. That would be very rare if I actually did that. So here's my point. If you call and I cannot answer right away, pretty much from about 7 a.m. in the morning till it seems like, 10 at night or 11 at night or something like that, if I can answer right away, I will return your call as soon as possible, and by that I mean usually within a few minutes, within the hour. Or if you're telling me maybe to get with you the next day, I'll be happy to do that. If you email me or text me, I'll be very happy to get back in touch with you. You will not have to wait for days to wonder, am I actually going to respond? I'll get right back with you. And that almost immediate or certainly very quick communication with you, that's part of my brand. That's Ed Hill's brand right there. And that's how I try to treat my customers. I am a believer in Jesus Christ. I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Christ. If you would like to know about Christ and what he can mean to your life, I would love to sit down and talk with you about him and what he's done in my life. But the point I'm making is, on that, by even mentioning that, is that I try to treat you as I would like to be treated. If it was my home, my roof project, my paint project, how would I want that handled if I was the homeowner? That's how I try to handle your project. Do we make some mistakes sometimes? Absolutely. And if you're talking with any other companies and they're telling you they never make mistakes, come on. Here's the thing. If a mistake has been made on my part or a company's part, and that happens sometimes, we're going to make it right. We're going to do the right thing. This is not going to be a contractor nightmare. Nobody needs those. I don't want my name attached to that. You don't want to deal with that. So all I'm saying is the value proposition here is if you call me, Ed Hill, Masters Roofing, 901-359-4165, I will do everything that I can possibly do to be of service to you, and that when all is said and done, you can honestly and wholeheartedly say, I'm 100% happy. And that would mean a lot to me. I'll know that I did a great job. So if we can be of service to you, give me a call. You see my number behind me there. One more time, maybe if you're just listening or can't maybe make out the screen there, wherever you are, 901-359-4165. Now, I'm going to give you some homework. See, I have the heart of a teacher. Good teachers always assign homework. So here's some homework. I want you, under my brand, Ed Hill Masters Roofing, Ed Hill Masters Roofing. You can check me out on Facebook, my business page there. You can go to Instagram, Ed Hill Masters Roofing. You can see my channel on YouTube, Ed Hill Masters Roofing. You will see numerous videos. You will see posts. You will see examples of our work. You'll see customer testimonials. You can check us out. Now, in addition to our company website, which is www.mastersroofing.com, in addition to that, I've gone one step further and I have set up my own website, www.edhillmastersroofing.webs.com. If you go to that site, that's a little more personalized to me. There's a lot of information there. There's another video you can look at. And hey, here's something I'm really excited about. And this is going to be a great thing. Recently, I launched at my own expense. I launched a Memphis home maintenance show. Now, I don't know everything there is to know about home maintenance, but I know a lot of really smart people. And I've been a homeowner since 1986. And growing up, I painted my dad's house a couple of times. So I know a little bit about home maintenance, and I've learned a lot actually along the way. And I'm going to give you a free subscription. It's not going to cost you anything. You can listen free. You can listen on your schedule. If you want to listen at 11 at night, it's there. If you just want to listen roughly every week when we release a new podcast, whatever, however you want to use it is there. You can invite other people to it. It is free 99, baby. No charge at all. You can listen free. Here's the address: www.memphishomemaintenanceshow.podbean.com. memphishomemaintenanceshow.podbean.com. And there you'll find a range of topics from heating and air conditioning, flooring, and mold on the ceilings, and roofing, and interior, exterior painting, and gutters, and thinking about putting some stuff on there on lawn care and trees, and there's just a little bit of everything to give you the benefit of my experience and advice. And it's aimed at helping you know what you can and maybe want to do yourself, which there are a lot of things you can do like that. But there are also some projects where you really need to call an experienced professional contractor. And we help you try to separate, what's what there and help you out on that. So anyway, that's all I got. I'm pretty much done. If I can help you, call me, Ed Hill, Masters Roofing, 901-359-4165. Thank you for watching, and it would mean a lot to me if you let some friends and family and neighbors, co-workers, church members, and so forth, let them know about this video and about me and how I may be able to help them too. And I'll tell you what, if you refer me to somebody and we replace their roof, Masters Roofing will write you a referral fee check, $100. So, maybe there is somebody that you can help, and we will say thank you with a check once we replace their roof. Thanks so much. If I can help you, call me, 901-359-4165. Thanks for watching. God bless and have a great day.